Hi guys, today I will explain how to receive Solana in Trust Wallet. This process is really simple and easy. The first thing is open your application. Once it will be open. This one is the homepage page, and this one is my crypto list. And if I scroll down here, you will see Solana. But if you did not see it here, then scroll down to the last and tap on the option Manage Crypto. And in the search bar, you have to write Solana. Once you will write on the top, you will see that crypto. And here, you will see multiple things of Solana. But make sure you have to enable the correct one, because if you enable the wrong one, then you will not get any tokens from that. So be careful. You have to enable the correct one. Once you enable it from here, then let's go back, and it will be show here. Click on it, and here you will see multiple options. And here you will see the option of swap. Just click on it, and here are two ways of swapping. This one is swap, and this one is cross-chain transfer, because we want to swap. So that's why I will click on it. On the top is our crypto, which we want to swap. Here enter the amount of crypto. The next one is, we want to get an exchange of Solana. So here click on it, and select that crypto which you want in return of Solana. The next thing is enter the amount, because I don't have anyone, so that's why the continue option is disabled. But if you have that, then it will be enabled, and by tapping on continue, your order will be in queue, and within few minutes, you will swap Solana in Trust Wallet.